Hey guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. Today we are playing I Am Cat. I haven't played this in a while. But I am excited. Let's just no, how about we just oh, there goes my controller. How do I climb again? Let's just I'm going to create a private lobby and I Am Cat. Bullseye. There goes Granny's frying pan. I love myself some steak right now. Wait, I don't have a plate. Oh, there it is. That's good enough. Hey! Time to eat my meal. Not good enough. Now it sucks. No! How do I climb again? Oh, there we go. Oh, fast climber! No! Fish. Oh, fish. Why is it hard? We are putting this right here, right now. Where's the mountain? Start cooking. Now. And the thing starts. I'm gonna cut it. Not sharp enough. No, my Pidgey! I'm not still there. Okay, Let's try remaking the steak. Where's the knife I used a moment ago? Oh yeah, that's good enough. Yummy steak. That's so good. Cucumbers. Gimme this. Did they respond? Let's cook some chicken, I guess. We don't need a lid. Alright, well, now while that's cooking, I guess I can cook myself some bacon. Right here. Oh yeah, that's good enough. That's enough. Where's my plate? No, stop cooking. Little pieces of meat. Let me cut that up. I don't think I'm supposed to cut that up though. But let's grab the chicken wing. I just see it like that. I'm eating good tonight. And you got that on the side of the plate. Oh yeah. There it is. Juicy tender. Can't eat it. There it is. I'm gonna have a piece. Oh yeah. Ow. That was delicious food. Alright. Training? I don't need training. All I need is some daggers. Fine, just one dagger. Well, that's not working. Nothing's working. Time to climb fast. Oh, pigeon, pigeon, pigeon. What a lovely, delicious little pigeon. We'll land you on the kitchen and cook you up, buddy. Oh, you know what? Let me use a knife. Burn. Fine then, since you don't want to cook, do you want to fly? Oh yeah, he fell to his death. I wanna. Ooh, what's this? Almost. Almost, almost, almost. That's useless. I'm stuck. I'm stuck. Get me! What's down here? There's Phil. Well, there goes Earth. Oh, snap. Yeah, this is a mirror. You wanna fight? Hey, buddy. What's up? Alright. Cute door. Can I go through? No. Basketball! Kobe! No. That one didn't count. Kobe! That one did. Kobe! Oh, come on! Alright, ready? Kobe! Ah, dang it! Kobe! Hey, come back here. Kobe! No! Kobe! Oh, gosh. Just give me the ball. Kobe! Oh, gosh. Come here. Kobe! Kobe! I get it? Did I get it? No! I don't like you. Another pigeon? Oh, don't mind if I do. God. No! How dare you, Pigeon McPidgey? How dare you? Come here, gosh, dang it. No. No, not again! I hate the pigeon. No, I fell. Let's go. Shoot. Alright. Pidgey the pigeon. Alright. Just stay there. I grabbed you fair and square. No! You want to keep flying away? Fly away this time. Oh yeah, he's dead. Yay, he's dead. Another pigeon? Come here. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you! Fall. No? Okay, you don't want to fall? I caught you. I grabbed you. No, I grabbed... Come here! Die, pigeon, pigeon, die, 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 die. You seeing this? Pigeon up there? This is what's gonna happen to you next if you don't let me catch you. Gosh, dang. This will happen if you don't let me catch you. No, no, no! Die, 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 die. And body slam. Yeah. Oh, look at this comfy bed. This is not yours, this is mine. Die, 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 you freaking pigeon. I hope I don't see another pigeon. I wonder what's up there. Whoa, this place is cool. A little picture. It's so small, this is cute. No, I can be up here. Just... Oh, no! No! Oh, gosh. You're lucky. Bye. Yeah, he definitely fell. Well, that's gonna be the end of today's video. Ooh, ice cream. If you liked today's video, make sure to like and subscribe. Bye, guys. Whew.